We have looked at AI utilization in the CodeHS platform. Now let's look at how else AI can be used to enhance your CS classroom. The first area to explore is debugging code. Numerous educational studies have been done that explore the import of immediate and timely feedback to students. These studies have found that students will experience deepened learning with immediate feedback and that student engagement will increase. The ability to provide immediate feedback can be difficult in any educational setting, and this issue is perhaps more acute in a computer science classroom where students often need frequent assistance in debugging programs. Many CS classrooms have 24 to 30 students working on different code segments at the same time, and a subset of those students are often waiting for assistance from a teacher or classmate. AI can really help in this scenario by shortening the teacher-student feedback loop. AI can be used by either the teacher or the students to debug the desired code quickly. Let's take a look at a Python code segment with some problems as an example. The Python program on the left has a number of errors. The student who developed this code is frustrated because their code won't pass the auto grader and it won't even run without errors. Let's jump in the code editor and see if we can assist the student. But before we do, keep track of the time it will take you to spot all the errors and consider how long it would take you to formulate a clear and crisp response to the student. After you finish, we will look at how AI might assist you and your students. Let's go debug now.